Hello. Today we're going to be solving a system of equations, but notice that we have three variables instead. So we're in a three-dimensional location, so we're going to have to graph this in space. Okay, and 3 dimensions is going to look like, when you graph this, it's going to make a plane. So when two planes cross, they make a line. So it requires a third plane for us to get a specific point. Okay, and we're going to solve this system, so here's how this is going to be done. So first, what we're going to do first is pick two equations and cancel a variable. So I'm just going to take these equations 1 and 2, and I'm going to cancel the b's. Now if I added right away, the b's would make 2b, so I need to do some multiplication. I'll take the top equation times -1, and that's going to get me a -3a minus b plus 2c equals +4. And I'll leave the second equation the same, 4b plus b plus 3c equals -1. And we'll add down our columns. Oh, this was supposed to be an A, that's a typo. There we go. Make that look way nicer. Okay, so we'll add down our columns. -3a plus 4a gets me a 1a. -b plus b cancels like it's supposed to. 2c plus 3c is 5c. And 4 plus -1 is 3. Okay, and so I'm just going to stow that up here. A plus 5c equals 3. So I've done step 1 where I've canceled a variable. Step 2, pick two different equations. And cancel the same variable. So this time I'll take 2 and 3. Now if I add 2 and 3 together right away, nothing's going to cancel. And notice that the third equation has a 3b. So I'm going to take that second equation and I'm going to multiply it by a -3 in order to make that cancel. So I'm going to do a -12a minus 3b minus 9c equals 3. And I'll rewrite the second equation, 2a plus 3b plus c equals 9, and we'll add down our columns. -12a plus 2a is -10a. The 3b's have canceled. Minus 8c equals 12. And I'll copy that one up here as well. -10a minus 8c equals 12. Okay, and now we have a system of equations with just two variables, an a and a c. So we are able to solve this as normal. So in step 3, solve the system, just like we've been used to. All right, it looks like I can take the top one times 10, that top equation times 10. So 10a plus 50c equals 30, and -10a minus 8c equals 12. 50 minus 8 gives me a 42c. 30 plus 12 gives me 42. So look, c is 1. Now I can take this information and I can bring c up to one of these equations and figure out what a is. So I'll use the top equation. A plus 5 times 1 equals 3, or a plus 5 equals 3, so a is equal to -2. And then finally, we'll use both a and c in one of these equations over here to figure out what b equals. So I'll take the top equation again. So 3 times negative 2 plus b minus 2 times 1 equals negative 4. So let me find some space here. Negative 6 plus b minus 2 equals negative 4. Or b minus 8 is equal to negative 4. So b is equal to 4. And just like previously, we can write our answer as an ordered pair. And we just go alphabetically when we do this. So my a value is negative 2, comma, my b value is 4, and we have a third point c, which was 1. So this is no longer an ordered pair. Pair means 2. This is an ordered triple. And all three of these planes will go through the point negative 2, comma 4, comma 1 in its three-dimensional coordinate system. And we are done.